CAE engineers often wonder how to share their simulation analysis with others, who usually work in remote locations. The typical workflow of CAE analysis often leads to sharing 2D and unresponsive media such as images or videos. The degraded data is then shared through standard communication software. At Ceetron, we believe that sharing should preserve the 3D and interactive nature of CAE results. We also think that the most effective and secure way to share remotely is through public or private clouds, accessible from any device around the world. This is a Ceetron Visual Workflow. You start a Ceetron Visual Workflow by generating analysis models from any industry standard result file. Do this interactively or automate what can be. Choose to post-process locally or remotely. You can even build your own custom application. Ceetron technology will adapt to your needs. You then upload your analysis models to a sharing portal. You don't need expensive hardware. No GPU is required on the server. Again, it's up to you. Subscribe to Ceetron's portal. Set one up privately on your IT system, or build your own custom portal. Ceetron technology is agile. And that's it. Share the model URL to give your peers the full 3D interactive experience of CAE. Contact us today to design your own Ceetron Visual Workflow.